But these two fellas, they're just grazing a bit. It's windy and I've got it on full magnification, so it's a bit jumpy. Beautiful birds. They're out in the field just to the east of my place here at Craman. And they're just strolling on. They're a little bit wary of this guy looking at them, I think. Just strolling quietly. Beautiful. They're big birds, huge. Look at these beautiful birds. I'm sitting in a field here, just next to my place to the east. I'm on full zoom, so that's why it's a bit jumpy. Beautiful.